So I asked this question to the entrepreneurs, and now I'm going to ask it to you as well. Your business's ability to get paid, in other words, make sales, is based on what? Now, it doesn't matter if you are a startup, you're already been in business a while, you're a coach, you're a consultant, you're a freelancer. It doesn't matter. Your business's ability to get paid, in other words, make sales, is based on what? Now, I got all kinds of answers. And the other day, I literally put the answer into a couple of social media pages. Here is the answer. And then I want to show you exactly what I mean by that. You know how I am. I don't like just to tell you the what and not give you the how. So I want to show you a little bit. And then I'm going to make you an offer. Here it is. Your business's ability to get you paid, make sales, depends on this. A, how many buy buttons do you have out there for people to click on and pay you? And then when they click on that buy button, where exactly do you take them so that you can receive their money? Now, this question got all the entrepreneurs, all but one actually, they got them all confused. And I think it's because we oftentimes don't think of the most simplest thing that we need to do. We need to create a buy button. In other words, a way for people to pay us. Click. We need to have a place where that buy button exists. And that was the answer. Now, I got all kinds of answers in here, and I'm not going to say them because some of the entrepreneurs are probably watching. But I want you to think about it in that kind of simple term before we get over to what I'm going to show you as to how quickly you can create these buy buttons, create these places for people to literally, where that buy buttons will exist, and then encourage them to pay you. All right, so I'm going to show you this. Let's take a look. So here's something that I created just the other day to do this video, right? I wanted to show you, how quickly we can teach it. How I can teach you this stuff. Now, here's what I created. I created a button, in essence, where people can literally pay me. The button is going to literally be it's going to be all throughout here, right? One of the first things, if you notice here it is. I say begin monetizing with these guides. This right here is a buy button. This right here is a buy button. This right here is a buy button. In other words, it takes you to things that then people go, okay, I see what dude is doing or what you're doing, and I want that stuff. Here's my digital products. If they don't have a button to go to, well, guess what? They don't know. If I want them to get in touch with me, because I say, hey, listen, I want you to get in touch with me. If you want me to show you how to do this stuff, get in touch with me. Now, what I did to increase this, now I can change this in all kind of ways, right? I can literally take this piece right here and create some amazing things, right? I can put in, as you notice, I got my little picture, I'm looking back, right? Because I want to show you that I'm working. That's what we want to do when somebody comes over to our stuff. We want them to see us doing the thing that we say we're going to do. Now, we remember from messaging, we talked about, okay, what is it that you're saying to them that is going to encourage them to even click on the buy button? Now, if we look at something like this, it's simple. It is a one-page website that we now have that we can start directing people to other things. It ain't that old, Linktree stuff because, well, Linktree, in my opinion, is not that powerful. This is another one that does similar things, but now I get to add some separation. Now, let me show you a couple of things that I did also that started me, creating the content around this. Now, y'all know I talk about creating content all the time. So here's what I'm doing right here. So let's take a look at this. So I'm literally creating the content that is talking about what I'm doing next, right? And then we're giving them another way to pay us. In other words, another buy button. As you notice here, I've got it here. I'm finishing it all up, right? I've just created a couple of things. And in this particular program, and I show all this stuff, right? When I'm teaching you and when I'm showing you this stuff, I show you what tools to use so you don't get out there and go, oh my gosh, I don't know what tools to use, right? We go from paid, unpaid, whatever. So then I just put all this in here, and I'm starting to do this. I had to put it at a certain size so that it would fit in. So you notice here what I'm doing is then talking about the thing, showing the thing made. Now people are looking at that and they're saying, hey, wait a minute, that's the problem I have. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do the third, whatever it is. You're now going to be showing them exactly how to do that and then give them a chance to pay you. Give them an opportunity. Give them a chance to get to know you better. Because we talk about this too, right? We talk about the know, like, trust factor. That's huge. I don't know you, and I don't know if I trust you because I haven't seen you enough. So this is what this does, right? My videos. So we get a chance to go over to the videos, right? Tools that I use. So that gives people a chance to check out some of the things that they might be working with. I'll get my guys page, which is an opportunity for you to get emails. The blog, it goes over to areas where they can see more of your stuff. Trust me when I'm saying this. These become the opportunity that people can get to know you. Then people can say, I like them, I trust them. And then we know if they get to know you, they get to trust you, then they were more apt to buy from you. That's what I wanted to share with you. I wanted to just create the environment. And now I want to make you an offer. I'm going to be showing you how to do this stuff. Anybody that wants to come over and find out how I do this stuff, now I'll probably charge $20. Right? I like to keep things at $20 because guess what? $20, it used to be $19.99. That just got weird. Because that's what? Less than the cost of going to a movie for two. And you know, you go to movies, you eat the popcorn, you eat all the candy, and you poop that stuff out. Well, that's no good. I want something that you won't poop out. Stuff that you'll be able to go, wait a minute, I now know how to do something, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to implement this. I'm going to put action to it, and then position myself so that I can get paid. All right, so hey, that's the offer. Get in touch with me. Now listen, go over to the site. I left the information in this one right here. This probably will come first. You can go over there, randyouterbridge.com/link in bio. That becomes what we have for you. And then once over here, the get in touch button and some of these other areas show you how you can get in touch. If you want to jump in and figure out how to get this stuff done, get in touch. I'll talk to you soon.